Welcome to the art suite at the Pulitzer in Amsterdam. This is actually quite amazing. This is my hallway, and what's so unique about it is that I'm walking along my hallway, art both sides, and at the very far end, I get to my own front door that leads to, oh, well, that's locked, but I do have the keys to be able to get out to a canal the other side. But let me show you the suite. I'm going to start atypically with the bedroom, which has a bed, a big bed, and a green telephone, and a desk, bright colors, everything's bright. Look, I've got all the information I need in pink, white, and yellow, and there's a mirror over. Mind you, I haven't found the bathroom yet, but I will. There's a mirror there. And in there's the safe, and back to the little hallway. Here's the bathroom, and goodness, this is made for tall Dutchmen. Look, how am I going to get to the towel up there? And I can certainly turn the shower on without getting wet. I like the look of the debaser, short, low toiletries. The mirror is too far from me for contacts, but no problem, there are lots of other mirrors around. And back into the sitting room, which is obviously fronting onto that canal street. Something is snoring. I think it's outside. It sounds like a dog in here. I don't know if you can hear it. That's my mini bar. And look at the charming tea set with the different colored chinas. And art all around. The noise has stopped outside. Every little bit of space seems to have something on it. This is a chair which I can sit on, and I will sit on. I might never get up from it. Interesting cushion. The noise has started again. I shall go to the bedroom. Don't hear anything there. But look what lines the hallway. Oh my God. You know you're in Amsterdam, near the Rijksmuseum. This is a modern take on something that could be in the Rijksmuseum. Here I am in the art suite at Law Group's Pulitzer.